Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World, and it looks like I'm gonna have to find a new spot to do my outdoor videos because apparently people start recognizing who I am and started coming around that area and talking loud, trying to be on the video and all that stuff. And I was like, at first I thought it was my imagination, but then when you started getting some of the new people and some of the same people, you start realizing, okay, you know what's going on. Don't take too long to figure it out. So I'm gonna have to find a new spot, but I'm outside right now, and I'm outside. So if you hear any noise, cars, you know the deal. Anyway, what I want to rap to you about is Cintex Wireless. That's Cintex Wireless. Now, as you know, Q-Link has been rated by the feds. Okay, so a lot of people are looking for a different place to go. So I did some looking around, and I was really shocked at how much. It used to be my favorite government wireless service called SafeLink. I was shocked how much they changed when I went to their website and I started to sign up for it. Oh my God, it's so much BS on there now. It's crazy. Matter of fact, they even force you to, they don't even give you the option. They force you to not only take the lifeline, but to add your emergency broadband too. Now, and I thought that was wrong. So I did some searching around on my day off, and I mean a lot. And I came across Cintex Wireless, Cintex. I have some notes, that's what I'm looking at. Okay. Now, what I like about them is, one, they give you an option to just use your lifeline or to use your lifeline and your emergency broadband benefits, your EBB. Okay? And the deal is, most people don't understand that those are two different individual things. So you can get a government phone and use Lifeline, and then you can use your emergency broadband benefits with a whole different service for your home or your apartment's internet, like with Comcast or Verizon or whatever. Yeah, those are two totally different services, and they let you choose, and I love that. So I signed up for them, and the application process was pretty easy. Okay, it's pretty standard like most, but it gives you a lot. It's pretty standard like most, but it gives you a lot more options. Okay, as in, like I stated, you can choose Lifeline, or you can both choose Lifeline and EBB. Okay, now the cool thing about Cintex is this, and I always lay it online, is that once you go through the whole thing, you get qualified, and basically the application starts with you putting your email address in it plus your zip code, so they can see if you to service your area. Then you fill out the rest. It's a real easy application. Okay, if I can do it, you can do it. So then, after you do all that and you're approved, of course, they'll tell you you're approved right there. If you're not, they'll tell you what you need to do to get approved. Simple. Then you get to pick your phone. Now, here's the deal with that. They have really good quality phones. What I mean by that is, you can look at the name brands of each of those phones and you'll know them. Samsung, LG, Moto. Okay? You get the idea. If you heard the name and you know about smartphones, then you understand that they have some name brand phones. So what makes them so uniquely different than all the others, and what got me excited? This is the first one. Now, I want to tell you this. If they could do it, other people can do it. The other people just been too cheap. This is the first government phone site that I have ever seen that offers iPhone. That's right. Now, let me explain to you, because you know I like it online. It offers the iPhone SE first generation, not the latest one that came out, but it offers the first generation, okay, which is still very good. Reason for that is I think they still got maybe another year of software updates from Apple that you'll be able to have on that phone, which is makes it very valuable. Now, the way they work, yeah, they do have quality phones, but the way they work, you can either buy the phone and say you don't want to have any type of obligation to them, or you can say, okay, I will use your company for 4 months. I will stay with them as my government phone for 4 months. If you do that, the phone's free. Okay, now I'm really excited about that because this gives you the opportunity. If you ever wanted to get into the Apple demographic, if you ever wanted to learn how to use FaceTime, to use all those different Apple apps that you hear so much about, okay, now is the opportunity, and the phone is free. The phone is free. It's a SE first generation iPhone. Okay, and even though it's an older iPhone, the hardware on it is stronger than some of the cheaper Android phones right now. Okay, I think it comes with like 2 gigs of RAM. There's a lot of phones out there that comes with only like 1.5 gigs of RAM. Okay, so it comes with more RAM than some of the cheaper Android phones that you get now with these other government phone services. Okay, so that's awesome. And number two, which makes that so unique, and I'm really excited about this, that's why I want to tell you about it. What makes it so unique is this: if you need tech support, because I used to work for Apple, I was a tier 1 tech support. Okay, and if you need tech support, not only are you going to get tech support from the company Centrix, but because it's a Apple product that they're still supporting, you can actually call Apple and get tech support from them too. So you get tech support from 2 places for the government phones, and you're just not going to find that at some of these other places, these other government phone sites. And you're definitely not going to find that at SafeLink. And they are very straight up. They tell you right there, okay, in detail. They give you all the information. They're straight up with you. They're very transparent. All right. So this is, I mean, I'm really excited about this. And it takes 2 to 7 days, business days, to get your phone. Okay. I'll let you know when I get mine. I'll try to do a review of it and let you know how the service is. Okay. So it's called Centrix Wireless. Okay. I think y'all like it. All right. And that is my review. How to get yourself a free government phone. How to get yourself a iPhone, people. iPhone. Okay? We're talking. So now, just because you're low income does not mean that you cannot get into the Apple demographics now and get to enjoy FaceTime and all the other little Apple apps that are out there. And you get to experience it yourself for free. Okay? So I had to get that to you, get that information to you. Go ahead and jump on it as soon as possible. Also, to clear something up, only one person per household can use Lifeline. But that just means that let's say your grandmother uses Lifeline, right? So she has the Apple phone. But if your cousin is staying with you, your cousin also can apply for it because they're not part of your immediate family. Okay? You get what I'm saying? I don't believe they changed that rule, but that's the way it used to be. Okay. All right. Anyway, I'll wrap to y'all later. I just had to give y'all this society news. Go ahead and get yourself that free iPhone. Test it out. Enjoy. I'm telling you, you're gonna see a totally different. Even though it's an older iPhone, you're gonna see a totally different experience with that iPhone than you would with an Android. And now you can judge for yourself. Maybe even do your own review. All right. And I'll wrap to y'all later. Peace.